Very good morning. This is S. Satish Kumar, motivational speaker, consultant for brands and business growth, serving for various industries. Welcome to the program of S. Satish Kumar 7S7. That is 7 topic from Satish in 7 days to overcome the lockdown challenge and succeed in business. This is version 2. Okay, basically how this program has basically developed. See, due to the coronavirus, across the world there was uncertainty particularly among the business community. Every businessman, whatever the industry, they have basically developed a fear, or I would say the panic situation has now arisen. Post lockdown, whether my business will survive. If it is going to survive, whether my clients will give business, how about the payment structure, whether they will be able to pay, whether my business is able to witness the growth. There is a lot of very genuine questions going on the minds of business owner, entrepreneurs and various senior management people and CXOs and investors. As a responsible consultant for brands and business growth, as a Satish Kumar, I have just taken an initiative to address 7 topics in 7 days to prepare how well that we can equip ourselves and overcome this challenge and succeed in business. That's how this has been developed. Okay, let us come to the day 1 program. The topic for the day 1 is expected changes in consumer and customer behavior post lockdown. So customer behavior and consumer behavior is already there, we know it. What is new to know about this topic? Yes, because this lockdown has brought a big change across the world in terms of affordability, because many people have lost the job. Many people's salary has been reduced. There are a lot of businessmen who lost their business and it is indefinitely, they do not know when it is recovered. Then during this situation, naturally, the customer changes will be, measurably will be changing it. Okay. Now, what kind of changes will happen? Now, we will go industry wise. I would be touching what best possible number of industries through this topic. So, according to your business, you can do by listening, you can think about it, how will it connect to your business. Okay, let us start by industry wise. Okay, so one of the first industry which I want to talk is basically automobile industry. Automobile industry, very big industry in every country, and the economy depends upon one of the major industry I would say is automobile. Okay, what kind of changes is going to happen? Basically, earlier, before lockdown and after lockdown, I used this 2 terminology during all the 7 topics. Okay, that's all. Like BC and AC. Now the situation is before coronavirus, after coronavirus. I use the term before lockdown and after lockdown. Okay, before lockdown or before COVID-19, people who are affordable have money, but they never thought of buying a vehicle. Either it is a 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler. It's a good thing I am going to share. Very beginning. Okay. People who are affordable, who never thought about buying 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, now they will start buying the vehicle for one good reason, to maintain the social distancing. And to fear of getting infection or spread of virus, they will be forced to buy now, or they will be intentionally wanted to buy now. Okay, so this way, what is the consumer behavior? The larger way towards automobile industry is going to respond is new customers, that is a first time purchaser, will become very good numbers. This is a good thing. Okay, so what kind of a segment then it will be responded? Basically, people who are first time purchaser naturally will go for a basic level of cars. Okay, they cannot straight away go for the luxury vehicle, right? People are first time going to purchase a car. So I would say for Indian market, since as a Satish, I am addressing from Chennai in India, for Indian market, say 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs is a range, like ex-showroom price. This kind of range of cars, for any brand for that matter, any company, whatever they are going to launch or existing cars will have a very good scope. Consumer will start going for the base entry level of car. This is going to be big. This is going to be welcomed by a new entrant, that is first time purchasers. So then there will be a good response for mid variant. Mid variant people who are still a little bit much wealthy, who are surplus money, they will go for a mid segment. Might be going for high end segment, like we will call as fully loaded cars, high end model. Basically, there will be some hesitation to go for the higher end cars immediately. Okay, this is all about the general car, either it called sedan or SUV. But coming to luxury segment, people, I would say, most likely it won't get affected. Sir, post lockdown, you say luxury cars will most likely not affected because of one good reason. Who is a prospective customer for luxury car? Very simple. Celebrities, entrepreneurs, business owners who are established, and people who have been having surplus wealth already, high net worth individuals. So these category of people are already well settled, they have surplus money, they are on track. So there won't be much difference in purchase towards a luxury car, whether it is a sedan or SUV. So what I wanted to say is, consumer of this segment, prospective customers for luxury cars will still continue to buy. There won't be a big change. Might be little, one or few people, countable people who are affected due to lockdown will have a hesitation to go for the purchase. Okay. One more thing in consumer segment towards cars, electric cars will be now welcomed in the coming years. One good reason is fuel price, because of the what you call as a high price of fuel. Sir, you say high price, how it is? Most of the oil companies are highly profitable. Most of the people will know it basically. Now due to the lockdown, for all the businesses to recover, for all the professionals to grow, to witness the economic growth. So economic growth, yes. When all the business is growing, economy will grow. When people purchasing capacity is more, then the economy will grow. So certainly, when fuel prices are reduced, I would say before lockdown, whatever the price in 2020, post lockdown, there can be reduction of at least 20 to 30% of the selling price. So what will happen? Operation cost of all the businesses will slightly come down, and people will be comfortable to spend, so that all the businesses will recover fast. This is what I mean to say. Why I am connecting this topic towards electric car? If the fuel prices continued, then people spending towards diesel and petrol will be a biggest barrier, and naturally they need to go for electric cars. Even otherwise, slowly the trend will be towards electric car. And this is all about the four-wheeler. Coming to two-wheeler. So two-wheeler consumer behavior will change? Yes. People who are already decided to buy the two-wheeler, first time purchaser again, as I used earlier, they will anyhow have decided to buy. They have planned whatever the money, so they will buy. Where there would be a delay, people who already have some bike or scooter, two-wheelers, who wanted to change, who already planned to change for a better vehicle or new vehicle, there may be a delay. Why? Because they will be a bit hesitant to invest now. There will be a delay in that. Okay, this is what. Coming to the next industry, airline. When I wanted to say airline, the most affected industry, I would say airline. One of the most affected, because across the world for 2 months or more than 2 months, there is no aircrafts have been flying, right? Very bad situation. How the consumer will behave, even after post lockdown, the recovery is happening or going to happen. People will not immediately respond to use the flights immediately because of hesitation. Again, for same reason. Again, the coronavirus, I will be held up in some airport, held up in some country, held up in some city. So this situation, every common man or every people will have an hesitation to fly immediately. So it will take time to recover. So there will be a setback for airline industry, but it will recover soon, no doubt about it. It will take few months or at least to recover, like going back to the earlier situation, it will take at least close to 6 months to 1 year time. Okay, coming to architects, construction industry. So what is going to happen? People now realized, wherever it is, mall or theater or office or a corporate, people now realized, sir, AC, that is AC, better avoid it. So what they are preferring, even now, see what is happening, people preferring to go to non-AC shop. Even AC shops are kept the doors open and kept in non-AC mode. So what is going to happen? architects will be approached by the people to design in such a way to have dual operations. That is AC mode or non-AC mode. AC mode, whenever required, they will use it. But now, to business to recover, people to come to their business premises, they need to go for non-AC mode, right? So architects will be welcomed for new designing, and construction company will get the projects to renovate according to the restructure for non-AC mode. This is about it. Coming to film industry, where a lot of big investments are done, lot of technicians, experts, professionals are benefited in latest technology, animation is one of the booming technology. Lot of people are there. So now film industry is a big industry, right? So what is going to happen in consumer? From consumer point of view, there would be one biggest challenge. People will not immediately go to theatres, even after lockdown. Why? Two reasons. Again, large gathering, hesitation. There will be hesitation. No, better avoid large gathering or crowd. Number two, again, AC theatres. Those days, like I would say 20 years back, we can recall non-AC theatres. Now almost all the theatres are AC. So people will have hesitation. No, why to get a problem? Better avoid. So this situation, it will take few months to recover. So naturally there will be a setback for the people watching movie in the theatre. Okay. But industry has to survive. First industry has to survive, then only the theatres can get the benefit. Now whatever the films has been taken, they need to just complete it as early as released in the other alternative mode. Other alternative mode is digital mode, online, through television. Theatre owners or associates has to bear with the situation, because once they make money, then only the future projects can be taken. So this way people will watch movies in the television or online mode. Coming to bakery and biscuits or restaurants, people welcome the takeaway restaurants, takeaway bakeries. They will just go, they will not even consume the food there. Instead, they will purchase the parcel or order for home services, food door delivery, right? Coming to electric and electronic. When I say electric and electronic, during the challenge of the lockdown due to coronavirus, there are some places where basically people faced, there is no supply of LPG gas required for cooking on time, because there was a delay by 3 days or 1 week to get delivered LPG gas. How people managed? They managed with electric stoves, they managed with electric cookers and other electric appliances. So naturally people will now start thinking, okay, it's better to have electric stove as alternative, better to have electric cooker to even not depending LPG, I can manage for time period. So this consumer will start moving towards this kind of products, basically. Now coming to electric cars, as I already conveyed, electric cars, people will be start to moving towards electric car for two good reasons. One is fuel price of high price of diesel and petrol. Second thing, there are social responsible people who wanted to reduce pollution will go for electric cars.